We are getting the blessing of touring a brand new model right here that's manufactured by one of Clayton Built's plants. This one actually, while I'm thinking about it, this one's built out of their Bean Station plant. And I toured a home last year at the Biloxi show called the Tiffany. Here's the thumbnail, not to take away from this one at all. Just want to show you that house. Man, I absolutely love that home. Same by the same manufacturer. If you haven't got to see that video, be sure to check it out after the tour. You can find it on the videos list. But yeah, this one right here, totally different layout, just same manufacturer. We do have a water faucet there. Okay, we're here at the 2026 Louisville Manufactured Home Show, and this whole section down here is Clayton Homes. They've got a lot of houses here. We are touring a lot of them, so stay tuned to the channel, okay? Let me hop around back to show you one thing. I'm gonna bounce back right here and we'll get in. Yep, just wanna show you here on the back that we have some sliding doors as well, which I know we'll see as soon as we walk in, but I just wanna kind of come back and give you that look as well from the back side. We also got a light fixture there and another water faucet down there on that end. Look at that beautiful window. That's gonna be over your kitchen sink. Circle back and get in. You notice right here at the entryway, we've got some different siding. I like this a lot. Now, when it comes to ordering these through your local home center, you can do a lot of customization as far as colors and stuff like that, okay? We got the black windows trimmed out in white, and then we got this here. All right. Yeah, this is the Everett, 4 beds and 3 baths. How about that? And we've got quartz countertops, fireplace, a lot of cool things in this home. What do y'all say we get in? Drop a like, subscribe, let's go. Let's step on in your future home. I mean, I'm just saying, you know, it could be. That's all I'm saying. My goal is to put these videos out for y'all so you can find your future home, and I'm just saying this could be it. This is a model that's gonna offer it all, and it's gonna come in at a great price, which we'll get to at the end. But there's no wasted space or anything like that in this model. That's one thing I'm definitely a fan of. Start out with the living room here. Yes, we got the fireplace, got the mantle there with the shiplap. We've got some tall ceilings in here, as you can tell. Let me come over in this corner and we will get a little bit of a shot into the kitchen. How about that? Those cabinets match that exterior color there at your entryway. I like that. Well thought out there. This is trimmed out nicely right here at your marriage line where the 2 sections are gonna meet. Yeah, quartz there on the kitchen island. We've got some different tops over here. This looks, don't get me wrong, huge fan of quartz. Always love quartz. But this looks really, really good with these green cabinets, don't y'all think? It's my first time really seeing it. I walked through the house earlier, but there was so many people in here, I didn't really get to take a deep dive and look at everything. But I do like these tops a lot. And then we've got adjustable shelves here in the cabinets. We've got electrical outlet there with our backsplash. Energy efficient e-built homes is what you're gonna see here with Clayton Built. Beautiful refrigerator. Walk-in pantry, but we've seen enough of those over the years. We really ain't gotta go in there, do we? We got the built-in microwave, got the range. I just had a flashback. This was back in 2019, y'all. One of the first, those of you who don't know, I used to be a service manager at a retail center and my brother ran it anyways. He had one of the NXTs, which is what this house, the series this house is under, was one of the first videos I put on the channel. It's still on there. It's gonna be from a long time ago. I wouldn't suggest going back to watch that video because, man, those tours were terrible back then. We got a dishwasher, more backsplash. There's a good look at that window. Let me show you the light fixtures. Yeah, different colored cabinets here at the kitchen island. All right, I know y'all are chomping at the bit to see this pantry. Let me show it to you. I mean, geez, it's just a walk-in pantry. You act like you never... I was trying to contain my excitement, you guys. Yes, we will never, don't y'all worry, we will never bypass a pantry. Don't you worry. I may mess around a little bit, but we won't. Look, or for real though, this one is great size. And then I like this door where you can like see in there. So the cool deal is with this door, you can see all the little Debbies in there, but you don't have to necessarily eat one. You can just walk by and at least see them, you know. Does that still count? Will that still go against your calorie intake? I don't know. Let's get down here to the dining area. Nice big dining area. And then, yeah, there's the sliding doors off the back that I showed y'all. Turn here. Main bedrooms down there. We'll come back to that. I want to go ahead and get down this way. So, yeah, we got 4 beds, 3 baths total. Before we look at any of that, though, I want to go ahead and show you the laundry room. I do want to show you this door. You can shut if you need to. I like that. And then we're going to have a spot for our washer and dryer. But you can tell right here you got some more space. If you wanted to have some type of stand-up freezer or something, you could do so. Got some countertop space. Got the hanging rod with some cabinets. Window here off the back. And then another big spot here to put something. Then you're going to have your water heater and furnace behind those doors. Big laundry room here for this house. And then once we step out of there, where do we go next? We got several bedrooms. Let's just, look, I'm going to be real brief in all these rooms, okay? Now, Clayton has plants all over the country. So when this talks about distribution area, it's talking about for the bean station plant there. Stick around after the tour. I'll get into a lot of information regarding all that stuff. And we'll go over some pricing. So yeah, we got the Jack and Jill set up in here. Got the square sink. And then you turn this way. And it's not tight at all. Got a lot of room. You got your shower tub combo with some cabinets. Ooh, decor selections here for the Clayton NXT. You can also pause this, screenshot, whatever you need to do. Make yourself at home, make yourself at home. Some other models there. Can't spend too much time in here because I told you I wouldn't, but those are all a part of the NXT. And then this is going to be their distribution area. I keep noticing the trim around the doors and the crown molding baseboards. I really like it in this house. Goes well with everything else as far as the colors and all that we see. We got shawl flooring in here. Let's see. Here's another bath. So we got the Jack and Jill between those, and then we got this full bath as well. We're gonna have 2 sinks. Oh, they done doubled up over here. You hear that? Yeah, come check this out, Bill. Got Bill on this trip with me. He ain't been very productive, I'll go ahead and tell you. Back up. Let me get through first. Jeez. All right, here's another bedroom. Let me take you down to the main bedroom, y'all. This is the finale. This is what we've been waiting on. We got 2 closets down here, by the way. Let me go ahead and tell you. So you're looking at this one thinking, man, this is a big closet for this room. Well, this is just one of the two. Don't be deciding which one's yours just yet. Wait till you see the other one now, okay? Look at the size of this one. This one's wider, maybe not quite as long. I mean, it's still, I don't know. I think this one's got to be a little bit bigger. I should have a floor plan. We'll be able to see more exact, hopefully, but yeah. Regardless, both of those together make up a lot of closet space and into the bath. We'll finish up with the tour. Like I said, stick around. We're going to get into a lot of information. Double sinks in here, some different countertops. We've got the mirrors, and then notice how we got a window right there in between them. I do like that a lot. And we're going to have the tub and separate shower. Like I told y'all when we walked in, this house has it all. I mean, it's, you know, there's no wasted space once again. I mean, for me personally, touring these homes all the time, if I'm thinking about y'all watching this, like, hey, we love some of the crazy big stuff that you show, some of the small unique stuff, but we need something that can fit our everyday living needs. I think this model is definitely a good option. Let's get into more info. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. So let's get into more information about this house. I got to start off by saying that right now, Clayton Homes and their family of brands have some awesome deals going on during their 70th anniversary celebration. You can even double your tax refund up to $2,500 when you use it for a deposit on a new home. Check out the link in the description or manufacturedhomeoffers.com to get updates on the offers all season long. So yeah, this house right here is by Clayton Built. It's a part of their NXT series. It's called the Everett. Now, we're looking at 2,040 square feet. I want to pop the floor plan again right here so you can see that we do have an option there for a den in that fourth bedroom. Basically, you just want to have your closet there, and you know, you can turn that into a family room or whatever you want to do. Pretty awesome. Just wanted to note that. But here in the one that we toured, we got 4 beds and 3 baths. And I also want to pop up this picture I found online. Just another exterior look at this house. You know, obviously some different colors and stuff to show you some of the opportunity that you have with these homes. Now we have Clayton as the manufacturer, but you would go through your local home center to get this house ordered the way you want, set up, and everything that needs to take place. Okay, you wouldn't buy directly from Clayton Built there. So yeah, check with your local home center, see about ordering this home or one similar. Let's get into pricing and we'll be done. I've already kind of talked a lot about this house. I think it's just overall perfect layout, great for everyday living. Pricing. Now this would just be pricing that is online. So I just took a screenshot of it and I'm gonna pop it up. Now it all depends the area, the options, and there's a lot of things that can have an impact on prices. It's just, y'all know me, I'm just trying to give you some general idea for pricing. And so this will also be for at the time of recording. If you're watching this video 6 months down the road, just keep in mind pricing and stuff may have changed. So yeah, here's your starting price before options, and I'll pop that up. Just keep in mind this is before required delivery and installation or taxes. Installed price may be higher. You can check out the post description for more pricing details and home information, okay? So I'm gonna put a bow on this one and we're gonna call it the house right here. This thumbnail is on the channel. This is another one of Clayton's houses I did there at the show. It was actually set beside it. You may have seen it in the video. Incredible house. I would encourage you to check that house out right now. Thank y'all so much for watching another tour. I will see you on the next one.